Average. Are you comfortable? It is raining. So after getting kicked out of Walmart at, I don't know, 9:30, 10 o'clock last night, the security guard was actually nice enough to let us know we could park on the street over here, which is about a block away. It's just out of the shopping center. See, what I found out is these Walmarts that are connected to shopping centers, which I didn't even know it was because I couldn't see this from the back, but those have security guards, and sometimes they will and sometimes they won't knock on your door. So it's gonna be raining here all day, and I just put on my rain jacket and I'm about to get out there, start this day. Take care of the peppers.